Welcome to Trouble with Tish. I'm Tish, and I be Trouble. And if you are a returner, welcome back.
Troubles on the mind, hand around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget the future and the past. You ruined everything.
Alright, it is Shady Friday, and we are getting shady with FashFabBeauty. And her instructions were black, silver, and neon orange. So this is what I came up with. I did 2 different looks, mostly because I couldn't get this to go the same on this side, so I just did a different look. I cheated. But it's okay, because that's the whole point, is to experiment and try out new things. Now this is something I would have normally done, but I decided that I wanted to kind of go a little bit outside the box as much as possible. So, what palette did I use? I used the Blend Bunny Surge palette. The colors that I used out of this are Vinyl and this shade down here, Power. That's the closest thing I have to neon orange. For the silver, I pulled out one of my singles. I used Silver Dollar from Lele Posh. It's no longer a company, but that is the shade. And then the liner that I used is OK Boomer from Melt Cosmetics. Silver. And then I also used an orange blush, which came from Colored Rain, and the name of that is Spicy. And then to keep it going, I used the Ofra Head in the Clouds Mini Mix Face Palette, and I used this orange highlight here, and it is called Daydreamer. So I swatched these out, and I will explain how I did each look. So the silver liner, this from Melt, the OK Boomer, I took and I made a line right there.
Before you disappear. I'll be gone before you disappear. That I was dead, so I guess I'll drink instead. I am in a crash course and I don't know what I'm doing, and I don't remember anything I've said. You know, I wish that I could stop, but here I am, I'm about to drive. Don't wanna hurt your feelings, and I don't know what I'm doing, and my thoughts are running rampant in my head. Sorry, I'm just not good for you. I need myself. If you don't get it, I'll be gone before the morning. Sorry.
And then I took the black vinyl shade and I just kind of put it inside of that silver line.
There's nothing keeping me afloat. My lungs are filling up with smoke. Don't know how to help it, and I wish that I could stop it, but you know I can't, and I'm completely soaked. I'm too drunk to write these songs. I'm too broken and all alone. Don't want hurt your feelings, and I don't know what I'm doing, and my thoughts are running rampant in my head. Sorry, I'm just not good for you. I need myself.
Then I took the neon power shade and I ran it around the outside of that line.
The time's not right if you don't get it. I'll be gone before you disappear. This is the last thing that I'll do. Chain smoking six till I turn blue. My heart is in a tantrum and I can't control my breathing, and I just want things to renew. Sorry, I'm just not good for you. I need myself. If you don't get it, I'll be gone before the morning. Sorry that it ended like this. The time's not right if you don't get it. I'll be gone before you disappear. I'll be gone before you disappear.
I also took the silver dollar shade from Lily Posh and I ran it along here.
So I guess I'll drink and stay. I am in a crash course and I don't know what I'm doing, and I don't remember anything I've said. You know, I wish that I could stop, but here I am, I'm about to drive. Don't wanna hurt your feelings, and I don't know what I'm doing, and my thoughts are running rampant in my head. Sorry, I'm just not good for you. I need myself. If you
My
don't
lash
get
line.
it, I'll be gone before the
And
morning.
that is how I came up with this side. I also put the highlighter on my brow bone and on my inner corner. So for this side, I took the black vinyl shade and I ran it along the outside and I kind of ran it into my crease just a little bit.
My lungs are filling up with smoke. Don't know how to help it, and I wish that I could stop it, but you know I can't, and I'm completely soaked. I'm too drunk to write these songs. I'm too broken and all alone. Don't wanna hurt your feelings, and I don't know what I'm doing.
Then I took the power shade and I ran it on the inner part of my crease here and kind of blended out the edges of the black with it.
Sorry that it ended like this. The time's not right if you don't get it. I'll be gone before you disappear. This is the last thing that I'll do. Chain smoking six till I turn blue. My heart is in a tantrum and I can't control my breathing, and I just want things to renew.
I took the silver dollar shade and I ran it on my mobile lid.
Not good for you. I need myself. If you don't get it, I'll be gone before the morning. Sorry that it ended like this. The time's not right if you don't get it. I'll be gone before you disappear.
And then kind of took that black and blended it back in. I took the black and I put it along my lower lash line. And then I blended it out with the orange.
So I guess I'll drink and stay. I am in flash close and I don't know what I'm doing and I don't remember anything I said. You know I wish that I could stop, but here I am, I'm about to drive. Don't wanna hurt your feelings and I don't know what I'm doing and my thoughts are running rampant in my head. Sorry, I'm just not good for
I used the OK Boomer liner, and I put it along my waterline. This side I put a black liner.
My lungs are filling up with smoke. Don't know how to help it, and I wish that I could stop it, but you know I can't, and I'm completely soaked.
And then I took the orange highlighter all along my brow bone and in the inner corner. I used the orange blush all over my cheekies, as well as the highlighter, which is orange. And then to keep it going, I took this Kaleidos lip clay in Terra, and I put it on my lips. And this is my look for Shady Friday. I hope you have enjoyed the two contrasting looks. And this is a collaboration with the Beauty Ninjas. And I have the playlist linked in the description box. Please go check them out. Send them some love. Stick around, hang out, and find out what else they have going on their channels. Alright, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe right here. All that stuff is down below. I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day, and I will see you all next time. Bye.
Sorry, I'm just not good for you. I need my troubles on the mind, hands around your throat, out in open waters trying to stay afloat. Remember to forget the future and the